So this is Los Angeles City Fire Department. According to one of the staff, he said they're having a fire training on this premises. I asked him if it's for new hiring or for everybody. He told me it's for everybody, but even though they have a new hiring. Sir, good morning. How are you?
Morning.
Thank you for serving.
Thank you.
I'm from Nigeria and a registered nurse, and I do investigative journalism. Would you like to appear on my video?
No, thank you.
You don't want to appear on my video?
No.
Would you like to tell me what you guys are doing? I'm not going to video your face.
We're just doing some training.
Oh yeah? Is
Yeah.
it for new hire? Is it for new hire?
No, we do this all the time.
Okay, so are you guys going to trigger fire or what? You know, would you like to tell me how it works? Would you trigger fire artificially or what?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
Would you like make a fire and stop it? You know what I mean?
Will we make a fire and stop it?
You know, you guys are fire services, right?
Right.
So are you guys gonna ignite a fire?
No.
That's funny, huh?
No.
That's what I do.
No.
Thank you for serving.
Yeah, take care.
I demand it through. You see, this is a ladder. I think to have access to the building. I don't know what they use this rope for. You know, the guy said he don't want to appear on the video for some personal reasons. I'm just respecting him. This is a public property and I have right to record, but I'm just respecting his privacy, you know. And this is why America is the #1 country in the whole world. Anywhere fire triggers, as long as there is fire alarm, even before you call them, it's going to send them a signal to respond, and they respond within 3-5 minutes. And they have well-trained personnel and the equipments to stop the fire. Because fire is an unpredictable hazard, and in places like California, which most of the buildings are elevated by wood. Most houses in California are being constructed with wood because of earthquake. So most of the building out here is built by wood, and you know wood is prone to fire hazard. So whenever there is a fire incident, thank you for serving.
Yes, sir.
Whenever there is a fire incident in California, it goes so fast because most of the buildings are wood, you know. So the services of these people are very paramount as doctors and nurses and police officers, you know, because they're not just protecting life, they're protecting property and other natural resources, you know. So according to them, the fire trade, you see them up there? And can you see them up there? You know, this was the T-Mobile Metro that was robbed about 4 months ago. You see them up there? You know? So that's a smoke shop right here. I think it's owned by the Egyptians. Papa, how are you? Good. Do you have a business here? Do you have a shop here?
No, I'm going to buy here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Would you like to say hi to Africa?
Huh?
I do video. Would you like to say hi to Africa? I'm from Africa. Would you say hi to Africa?
Hi.
You from Mexico?
Yeah.
Thank you, okay?
Yeah.
Take it easy.
Okay.
So, Anna, that's it. I have a business meeting at Torrance. I'll be leaving in a minute. This is a little plaza, but this place is a very busy complex because it's on the heart of the city. That's Slauson right there. That's Figueroa right there. From here to downtown LA is about 10 minutes. From here to Hollywood is about 15-20 minutes. From here to 77 and Broadway, where they have the police station, is about 6 minutes. And from here to Redondo Beach is about 25 to 30 minutes, you know. So, you guys protect yourself, mind CCTV, watch what you say, don't abuse anybody irrespective of their age, more so women, people with mental illness or kids or elderly. And be blessed. TLLLL reporting live from City of Los Angeles.